Either way, it doesn't matter to me, the judge is coming in.
We'll get it.
Thank you.
Which judge do we have?
We have Judge Murray this afternoon.
You're right.
Can I see the docket for a second, Bob? Thank you.
Good. Please rise. All recorded officer.
You may be seated.
Come on. Afternoon.
Good afternoon. All right, next case to come before the court is State of New Hampshire versus Frank Staples. Good afternoon, Mr. Staples.
Good
Who
afternoon.
appears for the state on this?
Attorney Michael DeCroce for the town of Newfield.
All right. Mr. Staples, my understanding is that you filed a motion, in fact, I have a copy of it here, to record.
Yes, sir.
My question to you is, how do you wish to record these proceedings?
With this device here.
All right. What I'm gonna do I'm not gonna rule on the accommodation request that's contained in the motion, the AD accommodation request. I don't think I need to do that. It's a matter of discretion with the court, so I'm gonna grant your request to record the proceedings.
Thank you, sir.
Okay? All right. Mr. Staples, you are here today for arraignment on a charge of breach of bail conditions. Is that correct, State?
Yes, sir.
Breach of bail conditions. The state alleges that on October 13, 2021, about 11:56 a.m., you committed the offense of breach of bail conditions, and that you knowingly default or breach a condition of release in contempt of bail issued by the 10th Circuit Court, District Division, Brentwood, on January 31, 2021, and that Frank Staples would get arrested for disorderly conduct by the New Hampshire State Police in Concord, New Hampshire, on October 13, 2021. Said actions being prohibited by said order. That has been brought by the state as a Class B misdemeanor. Class B misdemeanor carries with it up to a maximum fine of $1,200. Do you understand all of that, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right. Having been charged with the breach of bail conditions complaint, the Class B misdemeanor, you have a right to remain silent. No one can make you testify or make statements if you don't choose to. You have a right to retain counsel if you want. The state won't pay for it because this is not a Class A misdemeanor or a felony. But you can retain counsel on your own and have counsel representing in court. And obviously, you have a right to have a full trial on these cases, at which the state will have to prove the charge beyond a reasonable doubt in order to meet their burden of proof. In light of all of that, how do you wish to plead to this charge, sir?
Not guilty.
Not guilty. All right. The court will enter a not guilty plea for you on your behalf, and the clerk's office will forward a trial date to you. Does the clerk's office have an accurate mailing address for you?
Yes.
All right. So the next issue is bail. Does the state take a position on bail?
No, what PR is fine.
All right. In that case, Mr. Staples, I have your original bail document here. I am going to continue your release on personal recognizance. That will be conditioned on you not committing a federal, state, or local crime. You must appear at all court proceedings as ordered, and you must advise the court in writing of all change of address within 24 hours. The second condition, you shall refrain from any use of alcohol and use of narcotic drug or controlled substances as defined in RSA 318B. Do you understand those conditions, sir?
Yes, so as my understanding that this is a non-jailable offense, and I don't know why I keep getting arrested for exercising my First Amendment right at public hearings. So this alleged disorderly conduct that took place that I got a breach of bail for was at an executive council meeting with 8 other individuals who were all arrested for similar ridiculous things such as making a loud noise. I was arrested for allegedly making a loud noise. Another woman was arrested for saying amen at a public hearing.
Hold on for just a minute, Mr.
Sure.
You're on for arraignment today.
I get that, but this is all malicious prosecution, sir. This is malicious prosecution. This guy is already pushing tickets from Newfields that Governor Sununu created out of thin air
You're only
to...
here for arraignment today. That's all it is. You can bring.
And the bail. No, this is about these bail conditions that are also violating my First Amendment right for no reason.
Based on PR, we're giving you a trial date, and this hearing is concluded. You may exit the courtroom.
Yeah. Have me arrested again for something that I can't do jail time for. This is absurd. This is absolutely absurd. And I was here at 8:30 this morning to see you, and then I'm told I have to come back at 1 o'clock. For this? For this? You gotta be kidding me. I don't agree to anything.
Mr. Staples is leaving.
I am leaving. Relax. I can leave upon my own accord as I put these things away. Good, yeah. Have a good day. Drop these charges, tyrant. Absurd. Have a good day, gentlemen.
Have a nice day. Thank you.
So that concludes that.